Okay, I'm adding 0.1 molar NaOH to 0.1 molar acetic acid. I have 25 mils of acetic acid, so I'm going to need around 25 mils of the NaOH, and I have phenolphthalein indicator in there. You notice as it first comes in, it's turning pink where the base is interacting with the phenolphthalein. Pink is the color this is in basic solution, clear is the color it is in acetic solution. And my goal is to get to it right before the whole solution turns pink. Okay, and now it's getting harder to get rid of it. And now that it's getting harder to get rid of it, I'm going to start going dropwise. And my goal is to get right before everything turns pink and then measure the drop that it takes to turn pink. Okay? Okay, I'm about there. Okay, it's hard to get rid of this. Now let's see what happens if we add one more drop. Okay, we're going to take one more. Whoops. Okay, and that did it. My solution is now pink. And if I add one more, it should stay as a nice dark pink. So I want to measure the volume now, and then I'll just check it, and I'll have a pink solution. Okay, thank you.